Hello everyone, today I am going to speak about MangoPay Payment Services. The prerequisite for this tutorial is I would expect you to have some basic idea about the payment gateway and why payment gateway is required. If you don't have any idea about the payment gateway, I would suggest you to go to some tutorials and have some rough idea and come back to this tutorial. But in my opinion, like if you have some basic knowledge like why a payment gateway is used and where it is required, that is good enough for this video. A payment gateway is your doorway to make sales online. A payment gateway will allow you to charge your customer's credit debit card with the purchase he/she makes online. Let's take you have an application and your customer logged in and buying some food goods. Then this is where you require a payment gateway to charge for the service you provided or the goods you are selling to the customer. Why did I choose MangoPay for this tutorial? It has been a while that I've been working in some payment gateway systems, and I really felt like MangoPay has a lot of advantages and some extra features when it comes to payment services. That's what I choose this MangoPay as part of this tutorial. MangoPay is the ideal end-to-end payment solutions for marketplaces, crowdfunding platforms, and sharing economy. MangoPay is the brand of the Lychee Group. MangoPay was granted an e-money license, issuer license, which is valid in the 31 EEA countries. Payment mode. MangoPay primarily support credit card, debit card, bank account, and direct debit as well. In MangoPay terms, it's called mandate. I don't know what is direct debit. Direct debit is something like an auto debit that is set on a user account on monthly basis, weekly basis, or daily basis to charge for the service or any goods a company sold to him. How to start processing payments with MangoPay? First, you need to create a sandbox account and sandbox dashboard access. Send the legal documents required and complete the Know Your Customer process. Know Your Customer is shortly called as KYC. I will be using this term KYC in the whole tutorial in the further slides. And then the step 3 is sign the contract. Step 4, create your production credentials to begin transacting. To know more about account setups, please go to these links. MangoPay features. MangoPay support multi-currencies like USD, sterling pounds, Canadian dollars, and few other currencies as well. It has been widely accepted in all the countries who are using the major credit card, debit card, the Visa card or MasterCard category. Please go through these links to know more about the currencies MangoPay support and the countries where the currencies are supported. MangoPay provide or support two types of users: natural user, legal user. Natural user is a normal user. Any online customer visiting an application is a natural user, and a legal user is a company. If a company buying goods or like making an online transaction, then that is called as a legal user. Multiple cards and accounts. A user can have more than one card registered against his name and more than one accounts as well for payout and pay-in. MangoPay supports different types of authentication level for the KYC. The first one is called light KYC level. If you're a user and the cash in is less than £2,500 and the cash out is less than £1,000, then you are called as light user. You need to just provide your name, date of birth, and few minor details. So when I say light user, that means like you are involved in no overall transactions of £2,500 or lesser than that, and your cash out limit is less than 1,000. So when you reach this limit of cash in £2,500 and cash out £1,000, then you are called as a regular user. You need to provide the basic details, I mean the light user details plus address, some identification documents like passport, etc. The third type of KYC authentication level is called strong. A user is suspected of money laundering, terrorism, or for politically exposed person, then he need to provide strong authentication level by providing various documents. Document verification. If the user KYC level is upgraded to a regular KYC level, the user should upload the documents like passport and etc. And the verification happens at the MangoPay site, relatively done in 2 hours. MangoPay is very quick in that. Endless e-wallet for user. This is one of the features of the MangoPay. MangoPay provides a service you can create any amount of wallets per user, and this is where the money is saved from a user. So when a customer like he's buying an online goods, then the money charged from his debit card or credit card will be saved under the wallets, saved in his wallet. So an application can create any number of wallets per user. MangoPay wallets can hold the funds as long as needed, and once the application decides to do a payout, it can call the payout REST service, a payout functionality to transfer the fund from the wallet to the company account or any other account. MangoPay support a different type of transaction as well as called wallet to wallet transfer. So if there are two users, and if the application want to transfer money from one user's wallet to other users wallet, this is where wallet to wallet transfer is very helpful. Split payment. Split payment by different users wallets. So if you have an application which is kind of like supporting a restaurant booking, and if a group of people want to contribute towards the payment, this is where split payment is very helpful. And automatically collect fees. MangoPay automatically collect the fees and pay it at the end of the month. MangoPay's payout are very quick. If you take any other payment system, the money is in the merchant account. Merchant account is kind of an account or temporary account maintained in the other payment system, and this is where the money is hold, and the money will be paid to the customer only after 2 to 7 days in the other payment system. But in MangoPay, the payout is relatively very quick. It happens in maximum of 2 hours. Easy refund. MangoPay provide 2 to 3 services to support easy refund. Hooks. MangoPay provide a few hooks as well. Hook notifications allow us to make a request to a specific URL on a user to make you aware of various events such as failed payout. For example, if your application is making a payout, MangoPay return back a status called create payout status, but there are changes in the status like success or fail, and if the application expect any kind of notification from MangoPay, and this is where the hooks come very helpful. MangoPay security features. MangoPay register card using a tokenization server. The card registration is one of the very complex surveys or steps to understand the MangoPay gateway. So it is a 3-step process: pre-registration, card registration, and registration, post-registration. So in the pre-registration step, like MangoPay issue a tokenization server URL against a user ID, and you need to make a call to the tokenization server URL issued in the previous step with the card details like your customer's debit card number, PIN number, and few other details. And the tokenization server issue a registration data which is in string format. Then you need to the application should send the registration data which is issued in the previous step by the tokenization server to the MangoPay card registration service to get a MangoPay card ID and complete the registration process. So the MangoPay card ID is very important. You can save in your application database. So in future you can make a call to do a pay in from the card to the wallet, or like or to make it more secure, if you want to save the card ID, it's fine, but you can get the card ID from the API user. I mean the MangoPay API user. There's a method to get them or get all the cards registered under user. So with this card you can make the pay in from user card to wallet, but it's good to save the card ID in your database so that you no need to go through all this rest cards to start a pay-in. To know more about the pay-in process, please go through the below URL. MangoPay, these are some of the features MangoPay supports, and at the same time MangoPay supports some kind of developer support features as well. MangoPay's services are REST-based, so you can write REST cards to access the services. I mean, like, you can use any kind of REST templates or kind of REST client cards to access those services. And MangoPay provide SDK libraries for languages like PHP, .NET, Java, Python, Ruby. MangoPay provide card registration kits in JavaScript, Android, and iOS. So when I say card registration kits, for example, if you want the customer, if you expect the customer to register his card, this is where the card registration kits comes very helpful. So this is the functionality I explained in the previous step. So as I said, it's a three step to register a card. If you didn't understand the slides, please go back and read once again and come here again. MangoPay website provide a lot of details like sample REST cards with sample request and response, which comes very handy. And MangoPay support OAuth authentication. So if you are using the libraries, the SDK libraries, which is explained in step 2 in the slide, you no need to have any kind of special implementation for the OAuth 2. And MangoPay support provide sandbox environment. This is where you can test your application. MangoPay support MangoPay's code base are available in the GitHub with the tests as well. So the tests in the GitHub code base are very helpful in writing integration test cases for your application. Disadvantages, there are a few disadvantages that I have noticed while I was using the MangoPay. There's a kind of manual intervention in payout and document verification, but as I said earlier, it is relatively faster than the other payment systems. The currency used in different places or in integer format. In the initial stage it was confusing me a bit, but later I got used to that. The coding standards in the MangoPay library are not up to the mark. Looks like the models are auto-generated, and that could be the reason the coding standards are not completely followed in the MangoPay library. And that's it. Please send a mail to me, and my email ID is altafazis, IND stands for India @gmail.com. And thank you. We'll meet again in some other video, and hope you all guys enjoy this video. Thank you.